Welcome back, guys. So we're heading down to Linga Longa for the last round of the W.A Gravity Enduro. So we've got the bikes loaded up and let's head down there. I've just hit all the trails that I'm racing tomorrow and all of them are very slippery. So I might let some PSI out of my tyres and hopefully that might help for tomorrow's race. So it's finally Sunday, which means it's race day. So I start off at stage 6, rake and ride. missed the A-line. Oh well. Oh shit. Oh, where's my bike? Oh. Oh my god. I finished 8th with a time of 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Definitely not a great way to start off the day. Next up was stage 4, boxes. Holy shit. There's the rock drop, Cooper.
Nice.
Finishing 8th place with a time of 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Next up was stage 3, DDM. This is my first ride on my fresh set of tyres, and still with a brand new pair of tyres, I still struggle to find traction around some of the slippery corners.
Ooh. That's so tight. Oh, there's a tight corner.
Finishing 9th place with a time of 2 minutes and 57 seconds.
Oh yeah.
Next up is stage 1, Pine Gap. And this particular trail is the longest enduro trail race in the southwest. I placed 7th with a time of 5 minutes and 19 seconds. Stage 2, Tokyo Drift. I placed 9th with a time of 2 minutes and 56 seconds.
Beauty.
And the final stage I raced is stage 7, Huggles B.
Oh, shit.
I placed 9th place with a time of 3 minutes and 3 seconds. So I've just gotten home and I had a look at the results. So overall I placed 8th with a time of 20 minutes and 8 seconds, which isn't too bad considering I did come off twice. So that's the end of the 2023 W.A Gravity Enduro season. So the results have come out and I placed 4th, which I'm pretty happy about. Just missing out on a podium spot though. So that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below.